This is how cargo used to be shipped. Workers had to manually pack and load it into the ship's hold. The entire process took days. Now, meet the modern bulk carrier. Over 300 meters long and capable of hauling up to 300,000 tons of material. These ships come equipped with powerful conveyor systems that can fully load the massive cargo holds in just a few hours. Trains are moved through conveyor belts and funneled directly into the ship. Some systems move up to 16,000 tons per hour. During loading, distribution must be carefully controlled to keep the cargo evenly balanced. Weather checks are also essential. If it rains, loading stops, and hatches close immediately to prevent water damage. Once filled, the cargo hold is sealed tight with heavy-duty tape to keep out seawater. But it's not just grain. Bulk carriers can also transport coal, iron ore, or massive steel coils, the kind you often see on flatbed trucks. Each voyage typically carries only one type of cargo to avoid cross-contamination. When it reaches its destination, the ship offloads using onboard cranes or port-based grab cranes. These cranes use large clamshell buckets to scoop cargo into conveyors that move it into storage silos. But once cargo runs low, the grab bucket becomes inefficient. That's when shifting machines are used to push the remaining material to the center, making it easier for the grabber to finish the job. Once unloading is done, the cargo hold is washed with fresh water. Its sloped design directs the water to the lowest point, where it's pumped into onboard wastewater tanks. Even then, small amounts of leftover grain often remain. Workers manually clean these by hand. Finally, blowers are used to dry the hold completely. Structurally, the ship uses transverse frame construction, with longitudinal reinforcements to resist pressure from both cargo and rough seas. Along the hull are ballast tanks for stability and fuel tanks in the center. The ship contains 5 massive cargo holds, separated by 4 reinforced transverse bulkheads. Ships. If seawater enters through a damaged hatch or corroded bulkhead, it can flood a compartment. That shifts the ship's weight and risks capsizing. Water in the far right hold. The stern sinks, risking engine room flooding. Water in the middle. It could crack the ship's frame or cause dangerous oil leaks.